Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is SC pauses its judgment on Aravali, moots new panels. Now, what is this news exactly about? The Supreme Court has paused or temporarily stopped the earlier decision about Aravali mountain range and is thinking of forming a new expert committee on the same issue to study this issue properly. Now, what exactly are Aravali? See, one of the largest and oldest mountain ranges in the world, stretches across Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi and Gujarat, and they're very important for preventing desertification, groundwater recharge, controlling air pollution, protecting biodiversity. Now, the background is what exactly happened earlier. See, government's definition in November 20 it was the November 20 decision where government's definition of Aravali changed. Only hills of 100 meter or above in height will be said Aravali and located within 500 meters of each other. This meant many smaller hills and slopes were excluded. So what exactly was the problem? Large parts of Aravali range would lose environmental protection. This could allow mining, construction, deforestation. Especially serious in Rajasthan, where only 148 hills would qualify out of 12,000 plus hills. Now that is again a big number. There's public concerns also, like environmentalists and citizens feared permanent ecological damage, increased dust storms, water scarcity, weakening of natural barrier against desert spread. Now what exactly did the Supreme Court do? It has paused its earlier judgment. The SC kept its November 20 ruling in abeyance, which is in hold, and has proposed a new expert panel headed by independent experts to examine whether regulated or sustainable mining is actually possible, whether the new definition harms ecology, ambiguates in defining the Aravali system. The important observation by CJI is Mr. Suryakant of CJI, Chief Justice of India, Mr. Suryakant's important observation is independent expert opinion must be taken and stakeholders consulted before allowing activities that may cause ecological damage. No new or renewed mining leases, or no irreversible environmental decisions till final clarity is there. And why is this decision important? Because if protection is removed wrongly, damage cannot be undone. Aravalis protect North India from turning into desert. Once mined or flattened, mountains cannot be restored. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic, why it is highly important for civil service examination. For GS paper 1, this has become very important, geography and environment. For GS paper 2, this has become very important, polity and governance. For GS paper 3, this is highly important, environment and ecology. And for GS paper 4 also, this is very important for ethics. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.